welcome back for another video. So in today's video I will be reviewing this Beetles Polygel Kit. I got it off of Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. So here on the back it has the directions, the ingredients and all that. Can we just admire this beautiful packaging? So here we have the polygels. I believe they're 15-gram tubes. It comes with 5 colors with glitter and 1 clear. There they had the paper forms, and then we have the 180 grit file. These dual forms, you guys, fit my nails so good. I actually decided to use the dual forms. I know, but they came out so freaking good. So anyways, I'm not going to spoil it. But yeah, okay, so the kit comes with dual forms. Look how good that fit my nail. Oh my lord. Okay, anyways. I thought that was a separate piece. It wasn't. It was all one piece. Anyways, and then here we have the brush and the spatula. Typical brush. I do use all of the Beetles products that came in this kit. I do use it for my set. And then here we have a matte top coat and a base coat, base gel, the foundation. And then this is the reason I wanted to buy a Beetles Polygel. I wanted to try this slip solution. Jenny Faye has, I don't know how to say her last name, I'm so sorry. It does come with a top coat as well. She uses this as her, her slip solution, so I wanted to give it a try. So here I'm going to be swatching all the polygels. The number 1 is the clear, and then 17 is like this rose color. Oh man, so pretty. And it has all the glitters except for the clear. All the polygels except for the clear obviously have glitter in it. And then here's this like orange color. And then, so that was 18, and this is 19. This pink color, pink purple. And then this color here, I don't know what you would call that. And then this is, oh my gosh, this color right here is so freaking pretty. It's like an orange, like a deep, like, I don't know. It is so pretty though. And with the glitter, it reminds me of like sunset. It's so pretty. So here are all the colors. And I'm gonna actually use my dual forms. I'm so excited I've been wanting to give it a try because I do love the lazy girl method. And I'm like, okay, it's pretty much the same thing except you pop the nail off. So yeah, so here I'm gonna go in with that base coat. The consistency is very thin. Not very thin, but it's thinner than I'm used to with the base, a base coat, but it's fine. It worked fine. It went on fine, no problems. But I'm just gonna put this on all the nails and then I cure it for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna start with my pinky nail. With the Femi Beauty method, the Lazy Girl method, you don't need a bunch of polygel when you put it on the inside of the nail. So I started off with a little bit, and then I'm like, we're popping these off, we need to make it thicker. So I did go in with the slip solution from the kit. I did dip my brush in the alcohol just to get it working here, and then you will see that I add more. I'm like, we need to build that nail up a little bit. So here I just added a little bit more polygel, and it blended in perfect. You couldn't tell that I put more on top of it. I didn't cure the first part. So yeah, pretty simple. It's if you can do the lazy roll method, you could do dual forms. Like it's not much different, except you just pop the nail off, and you have to make sure you add enough polygel. So I just put that on my nail and I pressed down a little bit, making sure I wipe away any of that spillage. And then I just did a 30-second cure. And then the best part, popping it off. And it was on there pretty good. all the nails. And then here we're gonna go in with the middle finger. I just did, you know, for the 5 colors, I did one for each nail. And then I put the sip solution right on top of that polygel. And then I take my brush and I just pat it out, you know, thinner at the cuticle, sidewall to sidewall. I did this whole set under an hour. I had an hour to work with, and I got it all done within the hour. So once you get the hang of it, it's so simple. So here we're gonna pop off the dual form. This polygel too, it was so easy to work with. It was very good quality polygel. I'll tell you at the end how much this kit costs. It's gonna freaking blow your mind because you get all that stuff in this kit. Now I'm not sure while I'm doing this or the voiceover if it's the same price, but I'll make sure to check and link it down below. On this nail, okay, I messed up, but that's okay because I fixed it. I was holding it down with my thumb, and when I cured it, that part where my thumb was covering didn't cure. So when I went to go pop off the dual form, it wasn't cured, so it like cracked the nail. But that's okay because I put it in for another 30 seconds to cure it, and then I popped the nail off, and then you see me here. I added more polygel over top of it, fixed it completely, no problem at all. So I just put a little more polygel, put the sip solution on, you know, spread it out. And then I cured it again for 30 seconds, and no problem at all. So here I just took some of my alcohol and just wiped away that tacky layer that polygel has, that stickiness. And then I went in with my nail cutter or whatever it's called, and I just clipped the nails down a little bit because they were a little bit too long for me. And you want to make sure to measure it, make sure they're all the same length. I actually did a pretty good job. Usually I mess up, one's usually shorter than the rest, but I did a pretty good job. And then here I went in with my hand file, and I just cleaned up the edges there, got the tip of the nail. And then on the nail that I messed up on, I did have to go over top of it and file that to make it all even. But I didn't have not one nail pop off, so I think I did pretty good. And I wasn't being gentle, you know, I was doing what I needed to do. And I was a little nervous that I was going to file away the glitter, but I didn't. You'll see here in a minute. But yeah, I just kind of keep filing off the nails. I do go in and buff them as well. This set came out so good. I was so proud of myself that, you know, using dual forms, because it's not a method I typically use. But it came out so freaking good. So like I said, here I'm going in and buffing on the nails. Especially that one where I had to go in and really file. Here I add the top coat. This is way thicker than the base gel. The base coat. So I did really like this top coat. And you could see where I buffed the nail and all that I didn't leave. It didn't like take away from the glitter at all. That was me just making sure that, you know, and then see here, boom, nothing, no problem at all. I will have to buy some more of Beetles Polygel because this kit is amazing. This kit, I got it for only $17.99, and it came with all of it. The top coat, the matte top coat, the base coat, the slip solution, the 6 polygels. It came with everything you needed to do a set except for the lamp, but most people have a light anyways. And these colors are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So here I'm just adding some of my Cards Rhinestone gel just to add here some, you know, little pearl pieces. I don't know what you call them. I didn't want to do too much. And then here I'm going in with my Cuticle Oil from LiQWYD. And here's the set. You guys tell me what you think. Comment down below. This kit is amazing. I love it. For the price, you can't beat it. And I'm gonna, you know, tell you my thoughts on it. Obviously, the polygel is amazing. Look at these colors. I think these colors are perfect for spring and summer. So freaking amazing. That glitter and that shine. Oh my gosh. So yes, I love this set. I love the polygel. It's amazing. The slip solution, absolutely would use it again. I love it. The top coat, super shiny, went on smooth. I love the consistency. The base coat was a base coat. I mean, it was a little thinner than usual, but that's fine. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.